Bernina 534 straight stitch machine. Let's start with a long stitch. Let's reduce to a medium stitch length. Notice I'm not controlling this paper piece. Let's go for a very small stitch. You have a knob here, it has to be released. This knob is locking the range here, so make sure it will release completely so you have full range. Let's go for a, let's go for a even smaller straight stitch, the smallest perhaps. Also has reverse. The thread, it's a piece of paper, so fortunately the thread didn't work for the very small one. But one thing that you realize is that it has a small zigzag to it. It's not very straight. That's because the bobbin tension, the bobbin case tension has been lowered. I did lower it. If I would, actually I did increase it to get better bobbin tension, lower thread. So this is the long stitch part. We're watching this area here, this line. This is the long stitch. This was the medium one. Medium has more zigzag, and the small one, I think it didn't work. It just cut the paper. Let's look on the other side. So this is going to be the long one from right to the left. And medium, and then the small one didn't work. Actually, you see it here, this is the small. It just went off the paper, it did rip the paper. Generally speaking, I think it's a smooth running machine, not easy to oil, to do proper maintenance. Many access places are not, many oiling places are not accessible. Drop fit no longer works, it's completely stuck. I do have many videos. Yes, it's a fine machine, but I find it fiddly, and the stitch quality, to me, it's average. It's only average. So I know there are people who love Bernina machines. This one is from around 50s. And it's also only knee activated. There is no pedal on this machine. I think it sounds fine. It has a lot of space here, right under the arm. There is a lot of space. There is also an extension plate. This is a free arm, but it comes with extension plate. It's a fairly big machine and not too heavy, not really the heaviest machine. It's possible to carry it for a small distance in between the rooms if you